Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I was so excited to film. I'm finally doing the flip over method quick weave. I see it every time I open my phone and I could not wait to get here to actually do it myself. So of course, to start off any quick weave, you want to create your mold. I'm just using like this protective shield you get from the beauty supply store. I'll have it linked below, but you put that all around your cap. Usually you use a black cap, but I have this cap on because I have so many of these. But put it all around your hair so that you don't get any glue on your actual hair, and it just makes for an easy takedown as well. All you have to do is wet it and it literally comes off just like a wig. Make sure you get it everywhere, and then I like to sit under my dryer. That just makes sure that everything gets super dry before you start actually laying the tracks, and make sure your hair is ready to go before you start. So when I do my quick weaves, I always use old hair just because I'll be dealing with glue. So I don't know, I just prefer to use my older hair, and I just like to like puzzle piece it up my head. I don't know. So the way that I'm laying my tracks, I'm just doing like a U shape toward the front, and then once I get to the crown of my head, I'm gonna start laying them across. So you guys will see that, but I do want to emphasize a little bit more how I lay the tracks, because the way that I braided my hair down is atrocious. So I just want to show you guys how I like kind of fix that while laying my tracks. So I kind of pull my tracks really tight across my head so that is pushing my hair, my actual like hair flatter down. You see the hump in the back of my head. You guys will see it in just a minute right there. The hump in the back of my head. I want to disguise that. So I like to take my tracks like I'm doing right here, and I go across the hump, pulling tightly so that it flattens out. And I keep my tracks are laid really close together too, so that it works out. I use about 4 bundles in this install, but I hope that I'm explaining this correctly to you all. This is what I do all the time, and I never have an issue. But you can definitely avoid this by braiding your hair down nicely. Don't be lazy like I am. But yeah, I always do it like this, and I never have an issue with my results. So, you know, I would suggest braiding your hair down right, but if you don't, you could definitely fix it. So anyways, like I said, I'm laying my hair in a U shape until I get to the crown of my head. Then we're gonna start going straight across, because like I said, we're doing the flip over method. So I watched Slay by Jordan's video when he did the flip over, and I could have screamed. The way that he laid the tracks was so genius. This is what I'm doing now. So I like my side parts to lay usually on my left side, the majority of my hair on the left side. So you lay your tracks on the right side, and then you're gonna flip them to the left side. Absolutely genius, and you get so much volume at the top. It looks so natural. Like I said, I could have screamed when I saw him do that. It's so genius. But you do want to be careful when you get to curling and flat ironing. I did pull out a few tracks. Remember, this is a quick weave and not a sew-in. But I knew I was going to love this when I had finally combed it out, you guys. It took me like 2.5 days to do this style because I always started so late, and I don't know, I just got tired. But I'm adding curls, of course. Of course I'm adding curls. And you guys, it is so hot and humid outside. I feel like my edges have been sweating out in 2.2 seconds. My leave out usually does not give me a hard time, but the edges, oh my goodness. So I think I'm going to be giving you all a lot of heatless styling for the rest of the summer because I don't know how much more Houston is going to give us. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm just adding my curls, and I feel like this style came out so cute. By this time in the styling process, I was so excited, you guys, because I just knew it was going to look so cute. And oh yeah, I already told you guys that I lost a few tracks in the in my like side part portion because I was just combing way too hard. So definitely be careful and don't rip your tracks out. But it's also, you know, it's kind of like whatever because you could put them right back. But anyways, everybody that I saw do this style had huge baby hair, so I wanted to do the same. And if you don't like baby hairs, you know, don't do your baby hairs. But I felt like it was definitely necessary, and it added so much character to this style. Now I am finally finished. You can wear this hair in a ponytail, half up, half down, flip it from side to side. Look how much volume is at the top of my head just from laying the tracks the way that I did. So that was so genius. I absolutely love this style. So cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. And if you tried this style out, let me know as well. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video if you like it, of course. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next video.